Alright guys, so today we're looking at yet another Qi2 MagSafe battery pack from Anker. Now, to be honest with you, I think this might be the best MagSafe battery pack that you can buy right now, especially because it's Qi2, and we'll get into why. Now, starting off with the front, you do get a picture of the Anker MagGo 10,000 milliamp hour battery pack, which is a whole mouthful, I know, but just bear with me. So on the front, you do have the picture, and as you guys can see, it does have a screen there, which we'll get into shortly. Now, this is Qi2 certified, official, MagSafe compatible, 10,000 milliamp hours, and charges 2 times faster. So looking at the back, you can kind of use it in a stand mode or just use it vertically. It's fast charging via leading technology, and you get a 24-month warranty. Now, this is going to offer you that 15-watt wireless charging for your iPhone or other devices, smart display, and it's slim and powerful. So without talking too much about that, let's go ahead and unbox it. Now, I have been using this for a little while, but I just put it right back here in the packaging for you guys. So we'll set the battery pack off to the side for a second and see what else we get. So here you do get just this little certificate or whatever, so we can set that off to the side. And you get a quick start guide in a whole bunch of different languages, but you won't really be needing this too much because it's very simple and straightforward. And also you do get a 2-foot long USB-C to USB Type-C cable. So let's go ahead and actually open this up so I can show you guys. Now, I've just been using my own cable, also from Anker, but just to show you guys, this is a 2-foot long cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-C. So always nice to see. Nothing else here in the box, so we'll put that over here, and let's get into the charger. So opening this up, what we have is the black version. So starting off with the inside of it, which is the side that faces your phone, you do have your MagSafe ring right there, as well as your alignment magnet. It does say Qi2 on there. And moving along to the back, you do have this just nice same material. It's very plastic. It does kind of attract a little bit of fingerprinting, but it's not bad whatsoever, if you guys see that. And you do get this nice little kickstand here. So when you're using it, you are able to set it down just like this or horizontally and use the kickstand. Put that down for now, and let's take a look around the side. So on the top of it, it is completely empty. On the left-hand side, you get a little bit of information as well as your USB Type-C port. Moving along to the bottom, it is completely closed, and on the right-hand side, you get your power button as well as your screen. So before we turn this on, let's go ahead and peel this off. I saved this specifically for the video, this little sticker right here. There we go. Nice little satisfying sticker peel right there. So let's go ahead and actually turn this on, okay? And it has 100% battery right there. So as you guys can see, this does have a screen. How cool is that? So basically, it did just turn off. So let's go ahead and click it again. So right now it's at 100% battery power. So what we'll do is, actually, you know what? Before we plug our phone into that, I'm gonna make you guys wait for a little bit. Before you plug our phone in, you do hold it for 2 or 3 seconds to turn it off. I just did that right there. So, or you can just click it, click on, click off. Very easy, no problem. So let's actually go ahead and weigh it first, because I know this thing is a little beefy. I know everybody's gonna wonder how much it weighs, how thick it is, all that fun stuff. So let's go ahead and get into that. We'll switch over to grams, and we'll set this down. You're looking at 255 grams. So it's a little bit on the heavier side, but don't forget, it's 10,000 milliamp hours. You get the fast charging, plus you get a screen on it, which you don't see in any other battery packs. So 255 grams right there. And then also, let's go ahead and bring over our caliper, and we'll see how thick it is. So go ahead and turn this on, and we are looking at 20 millimeters thick. So about exactly 20 millimeters, and measuring it all the way to the kickstand right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at that, 22.3. So 20 millimeters thick on this one, or 22.3 with the kickstand on. Not the thickest thing in the world, but also I wouldn't say it's slim by any means, but you're getting 10,000 milliamp hours of charging on this. So this is going to charge your iPhone 15 Pro Max, at least, which is what I have. It's going to charge it almost 2 full entire times. So you can get from 0 to 100, and then from like 0 again, somewhere up to the 80-85% range on there. Not terrible at all. Plenty enough for you to take this on a little weekend getaway. Even if you forget to charge, you got 2 almost full uses out of this, which is great. So before we plug in our phone and charging, let's talk about it a little bit. So this USB-C port, it does charge the battery pack as well, and you can multi-charge with this, meaning you can have your iPhone or whatever other wireless charging device charging on here, as long as it's MagSafe compatible, like your Android phones with the MagSafe cases. you just plug that up and you can charge the battery pack and the phone at the same time, as well as charging another device and the phone with the MagSafe part at the same time as well. So with all that talking, let's go ahead and plug this up. Will it turn on by itself? There we go. All right, so what you can see here is that it's at 100% battery, and it looks like you've got, right now at least, it says you've got 99 hours and 59 minutes of battery power remaining in this battery itself. So this is actually going to sit here and adjust eventually with, these times. It takes a few minutes to really get exactly accurate on this, but this thing will charge you for a very long time. It's going to do really well, and as you guys can see, it is charging right there. So no problems at all with that one. So what we're going to do here is test out the kickstand. There we go. It is working perfectly fine just like this, standing up with no issues, as well as standing up like that. So no problem whichever way you want to use, and it does work with your nightstand mode right there. Now, as you guys can see right there, it did update to 3 hours and it looks like 49 minutes. So 3 hours and 49 minutes worth of battery power left in this power bank itself. So as you guys can see, there you go, 3 hours, 37 minutes. It's going to update a little bit here and there, but there's also another icon on here. So let's just break that down real quick. So as you can see, the circle, the green circle, the 100%, that's the battery power left of this. That's the battery percentage left on the MagSafe battery pack. That's how much time the MagSafe battery pack has left to charge, and well, how much power time it still has left. It's not how long it's going to take your phone to get to 100%, but that's how much time you have remaining battery in hours. And if you see this little arrow right there, it's very faint in the corner. That little arrow just means that you are charging a device. So while this is charging on here, it says we have 1 hour and 42 minutes right now of battery power. So like I said, it's gonna fluctuate a little bit, but don't worry about that. This will be accurate for sure. So while this is charging the iPhone, and it is still charging right there, let's go ahead and take a USB Type-C cable, the usual Anker cable that we use, and we'll plug this in here and see what happens. So for right now, if you can see, the iPhone is charging, so it took a second to reconnect back to that, but the iPhone is charging as well as the MagSafe battery pack is charging at the same time, which is nice. So it's going to be charging this battery pack up at the same time as it's charging your iPhone. So always great to see you can kind of pass through charge that. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this off, and we'll take their cable that they provided because I don't want to go and unplug that other one. And we can also use it as just a normal power bank. So right now it is plugged in. There you guys can see my iPhone is charging. So you have it perfectly plugged in and charging right there. It does show that on the screen, which, by the way, this screen is incredibly helpful with just everything, all the information it tells you. You really know. I'm kind of getting sick of all the little LEDs that you get, the 3 LEDs or 4 LEDs on most other battery packs, that you don't really know what percentage you're at, what the battery charge is looking at. What's great about this is it tells you everything you need right there on that screen. And then also what it looks like. So right now it does show you that it's at 99% battery. So what we're going to do is take this cable and just plug the battery pack in. So let's see what we get. All right, so it does show that it's charging right there. And also what's really cool about this is when you plug it in, you get that little green lightning bolt right there that does show you that it's charging, as well as you getting exactly how much longer it's going to take to charge this battery pack up to 100%. So right now it's at 99%, like I said, looking at about 5 minutes left to charge your MagSafe battery pack to 100%. So that is super, super convenient and really makes this battery pack worth its price. So speaking of price, let's actually go ahead and talk about that. So this thing comes in black, which is this color right here, and it comes in white. Now, the price on this one is $89.99. Now, sometimes it goes on sale on Amazon, which I'll leave all the links down in the description below for you guys to check out for yourself. But $89.99 on this one, and I'll be honest with you, I definitely 100% absolutely recommend you guys go and pick one of these up. This thing is so convenient with the kickstand and with the screen right there. I mean, it gives you the almost two full charges, and I did charge my phone from 10% to 100% with this battery pack in 2 hours exactly. Whereas with a normal 7.5 watt battery, MagSafe battery pack, It took about 3 hours and 52 minutes to also get from 10 to 100%. So that's very convenient right there. The extra faster charging speeds, and by the way, the USB-C port plugging something in directly to that will give you up to 20 watts of charging. So 15 watts of MagSafe and 20 watts just strictly using the USB-C port to charge another device. And all around, this is an excellent battery pack. It's built very well. The kickstand is super useful. It's not one of those janky ones that just kind of falls down. You can sit here and really tap around on your phone, look around on it, play with it, do whatever you're doing. Turn it this way. Oh, just made that fall. Let's try that one more time live on camera. So turn it just like this, and you'll be able to, I mean, if you tap it all the way at the bottom, it may start moving a little bit, but no matter what you're doing, you can sit there and watch your favorite Brian's Tech video while your iPhone is charging, and you'll be good to go with all the information that you need right there. So all in all, an excellent, excellent MagSafe battery pack. I highly, highly recommend this one. Like I said, links will be down in the description below. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Have you picked it up or have you seen it before? I cannot wait. This is gonna be my new MagSafe battery pack that lives in my backpack. I'm definitely replacing the current OtterBox 5000 milliamp hour one that I have in there right now, just because of how convenient this one is. You really can't beat that. So with all that being said, this is the Anker MagGo 10,000 milliamp hour Qi2 wireless MagSafe battery pack. So that's a whole mouthful. Let me know what you guys think about this one down in the comments below. I'm really interested to see what you think about it. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you're interested in another great Qi2 MagSafe battery pack from Anker, I'll leave that video right there.